Hello there everyone, Interstate here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the HTC One SV Beats by Dre, and I think this one's unlocked. But yeah, this is one of the rare HTCs. Didn't take much to get that box unopened. And here's the phone. Why did they put the tape on the screen? Do not know why. Oh yeah, it just comes off like that. But yeah, this is the phone. HTC One SV. You can see right there, Beats Audio 4.1.2. I'm guessing that's the Android version, so kind of spoil it there. But yeah, got this phone fully working. 1881 out the window. Using 2 coupons, I was able to get this phone down from what was $29 on down to 1881. But yeah, this phone cosmetically is not too bad looking. But yeah, you got your usual scratching here and there. Got your power button on side. The back does have a rubber feel, for those wondering. It is rubber. I'm going to get this back off real quick, if it does come off. Yeah, I was able to get the back off. Here's the battery. Battery is healthy. And let me see if I can find a date. Nope, I don't see a date. But if y'all see something in here resembling a date, put it in the comments below. But yeah, let's go ahead and wrap up this unboxing. But yeah, so here's the wrap up. As you can see, just the phone and the phone itself. This was the unboxing of the HTC One SV by Dre that is unlocked. As always, you will see this phone in future videos starting up. Alright, share the video, like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. I upload whenever I can. See you in the next one. 95 out.